Hi everyone, I'm Omale Jeff Jojo, your celebrity mathematician. Don't touch the die. Don't! So, today we want to do justice to Waec questions. Simplify the following. You can say, when they say simplify, they want you to break it down. Break it down to the lowest. Now, the A, will have this 8 raised to the power of 2 times 4 raised to the power of n plus 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2n times 16. Good. Now I want to break it down. Remember, I have 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2 n plus 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2n times 2 raised to the power of 4 all raised to the power of half. Yes, because the root, this square root is what is here. Remember, we said that a raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as the root a raised to the power of 1. Good. So this and anything raised to the power of 1 is that the same thing. So I removed this root and put it like this. I was solving maths one day and somebody said, I'm doing different. I said no, because I'm applying mathematics, the laws, mathematical laws. So this one, this 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Why I'm doing this is because I saw the list number here from the questions and I discovered that the whole base can be this. So you must look at the questions very well. So in this case, let me clear the brackets. I have 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2n plus 2. That is 2 times n is 2n, 2 times 1 is 2 over 2 raised to the power of 2n times 2 raised to the power of 4. Don't forget, all raised to the power of half. That is 1 over 2. So according to the power law, two powers can multiply each other. This also can multiply together. So this will give me, simplifying it, this will give me 2 raised to the power of 6 times 2 raised to the power of 2n plus 2 over 2 raised to the power of 2n multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4 all raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, let me collect the like terms at the index. What I'm talking of powers. This is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 2n plus 2 over 2 raised to the power of 2n plus 4 plus 4. You know, we said something about here. We said something here before, right? That when we have a raised to the power of 2 times a raised to the power of 3, the same thing as a raised to the power of 2 plus 3. So that is what I did here. It's multiplication, so I have to add the powers since they have the same base. So that means the up, I have to collect like terms now. That's up. So that is 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 2 plus 2n over 2 raised to the power of 2n plus 4. Good. The like term simply means the one with number and the one with variable, put them on one side. So 6 plus 2 is equal to what? 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 2n over 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 2n. Yes. Some people say that this 2n is here before. I have to bring it because in mathematics, a plus b is the same thing as b plus a. So 2n plus 4 is the same thing as 4 plus 2n. I want it to be arranged. Good. Now if you look at it very well, this thing can still be what? What to 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 2n divided by 2 raised to the power of 4 plus 2n, which is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 2n minus 4 plus 2n. Division law says that if you have it and they are the same base, you can subtract the powers. So that's what I did here. Don't forget the bracket, which is still the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of 8 plus 2n minus 4 plus 2n. Minus 4 minus 2n. Minus times plus change to minus. Good. So this is the same thing as, I have to collect like terms again. 8 minus 4 plus 2n minus 2n, which is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of 4. 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 0. 2n minus 2n is 0. This is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 2 raised to the power of 4, remember, from here, that's why I said don't forget, is half 1 over 2, 1 over 2, all this 1 over 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2, 1 over 2, that is the square root, 1 over 2, and this also is raised to the power of 1 over 2, this is raised to the power of 1 over 2, that is the square root that they give to us here. Remember this power law as well, that is 2 raised to the power of 4 times 1 over 2, which is equal to what? 2 raised to the power of 4 over 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 2. And 2 raised to the power of 2 give me what? 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. This final answer. Now look at it very well. This, if they give you this, you have to simplify it. This Waec question. Now I change this square root on my own to this because I know the law. Now I have applied the law in this way up to this, and this one tells me that this 2 is multiplied by itself 2 times, which I have this. So I can decide to be going in this way with the square root and be going. See the same thing. So that is that about that. So I'll take this one. Is very simple. This OBJ question is very simple. But let me just take it. That one is very simple. B. Let me go accordingly. 3 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 times 27 raised to the power of n plus 1 over 81 raised to the power of n. Now, see, mathematics follow the same pattern most of the time. The lowest here is 3. So I have to check whether this one can have anything 3 raised to the power of anything, and this one too, of which yes is true. So when you see 2, 3, 4 and in the least this thing, try to check if they can still come down. Then you check it and go. Now having seen this, it will now be equal to 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 3 n plus 1, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27 over 3 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of n. Now this is the same thing as what? 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 times, let me open the bracket there, 3 raised to the power of 3n plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Good. Now let me apply multiplication law at the numerator. That is 3 raised to the power of n minus 1 plus 3n plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Remember, I didn't mean there's minus here or there's minus anywhere. I have to be careful. You must bracket this place first to avoid mistake. Now this is the same thing as what? Let me collect the large terms at the numerator. N plus 3n minus 1 plus 3 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Good. Now if you look at this very well, something has to be done there, which is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 4n minus plus, because this one is bigger than minus 1, plus 2 over 3 raised to the power of 4n. Good. 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 So if I have this, remember, if I don't want the alphabet to come first, I can bring 2, but it doesn't matter. A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is commutativity. So this is the same thing as what? 3 raised to the power of 4n plus 2. This is division. Divide by 3 raised to the power of 4n. I'll apply division law. 3 raised to the power of 4n plus 2, since they're having the same base, minus 4n. Remember, you must be putting bracket. You must be putting bracket because I didn't mean these things are 2 numbers here. It will affect the second one. If the second one is plus 2 or 3, it will affect it. So you must be careful with mathematics. So this is simple as 3 raised to the power of 4n plus 2 minus 4n. So let me collect like terms. This is simple as 3 raised to the power of 4n minus 4n plus 2, which is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 4n minus 4n is 0. 0 plus 2, which is the same thing as what? 3 raised to the power of 2. 0 plus 2 is the same thing as 2. So which is the same thing as 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is equals what? 9. So that is the final answer. Now let me look at C. Then give you this one to play with. The C is very simple. I will not apply anything because I've been applying 4 raised to power of 1 over 2 plus 125 raised to power of 1 over 3, all raised to the power of half. That's the C. Right? Now, in this case, you don't need to suffer yourself. That is, sorry, this is squared, not half. Squared. So in this case, you don't need to suffer yourself. Don't need to suffer yourself. This raised to the power of 2. Good. Now, what we do here is very simple. This one, you know, when we say that a raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root of a, right? Now this one, 4 raised to the power of 1 over 2, the same thing as the square root of 4, 1, plus this one is 3 down. The denominator of the power of the fractional power tells us the root. So this one is the cube root. 125 cube root. Square root, you don't need to put square again. So raised to the power of 1, all of them raised to the power of 2. Now square root of 4 is 2. Is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1. Square root of 125 is the three things that if you multiply together, the three number multiply together, that can give you 125, which is 5. This one is very simple, all raised to the power of 2. You know, 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. Anything raised to the power of 1 is that the same thing. 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. All raised to the power of 2. Now, if you look at this very well, you agree with me. You agree with me that it is very simple. It's an OBJ. So you don't need to start opening it. I'll do it in 2 ways. So this will give me 2 plus 5 is 7 raised to the power of 2, which is 7 to the power of 2, and this is 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. This is the final answer. Or, now look at it. From that place, I can say that it's equal to 2 raised to the power of 2, all raised to the power of half, plus 5 raised to the power of 3, all raised to the power of 1 over 3, and all these will be equal to raised to the power of 2. Now, in this is power law. This will give me 2 raised to the power of 2 times 1 over 2, plus 5 raised to the power of 3 times 1 over 3, all raised to the power of 2. So this will give me 2 raised to the power of 2 over 2, plus 5 raised to the power of 3 over 3, all raised to the power of 2. Remember, 2 times 1 over 2. You can balance this one. 2 times 1 over 2. 2 times 1 over 2 is the same thing as what? 2 over 1 times 1 over 2. So which is 2 times 1 and this. So it will give you that. Right? So that's what I did here. Now if you bring it up, this will give me 2 raised to the power of 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Plus 3 over 3 is 1. 5 raised to the power of 1. All raised to the power of 2. Now this is the same thing as 2 plus 5 raised to the power of 2. Because 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2. 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. So this will give me 7 raised to the power of what? 2. If I clear bracket, this will give me 7 raised to the power of 2, which is 7 times 7, and this is equal to what? 49. So I've done justice to this. can say it here. So if you have university questions on indices, you have Waec questions, you have any other question that is disturbing you, forward it to Mathematics and Technology Skills page or our YouTube, or you can still forward it to the Celebrity Mathematician. We'll have some mathematicians in the house, and I myself will do justice to it. So thank you so much for watching this today. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Instead of your children going to some site and others, pornographic movies and others, tell them to subscribe to this place, as we are working tirelessly to make sure that we achieve zero illiteracy. Thank you so much. I'm Omar Ejefijojo, your Celebrity Mathematics. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at Matex12.